It's normally a good sign when I've got a yellow Pelly case out, because it means I'm playing, and I do love to be in the workshop knocking things around. Now, this is me testing some ideas out around video and video streaming. So this case has got an obvious appendage on the top. This is a little IP camera, of course. What's less obvious is if you come down here, there's actually another camera in the front there poking out. Well, of the hole that used to have the equalizer, the pressure equalizer. Let's get inside and have a look. I warn you, it is not pretty in here. This is literally just a test out an idea. It's not a production box, so no judgment, please. You can tell it's not production because I've got a wooden washer in the top there that I've made to screw that camera into. But inside gets quite interesting if we can ignore the kind of roughness of this. So what we have here are two lithium phosphate batteries. These are, 14-volt battery packs. Very nice. Oh, are they 14 volt? No, 12 volts, I assume, actually. I lose track. Yeah, these are 12 volt, 3 amp hour packs from GWL Power. Neat little things, quite heavy in the hand. Not a bad thing at all. And what I'm doing is I'm combining those batteries for hot swap and to extend the runtime. And those batteries combine, then they go through a voltage regulator, a 48 volt voltage regulator. That then feeds this little switch here. This is a cute thing. It's got 4 PoE outs, 48 volt DC in on that end. It's even got an SFP, I think, on the end. Made by some no-name brand. I'll find the brand out later and show you what it is. At the same time, those batteries are powering a 12 volt voltage regulator, which is feeding a little device that is hidden in the corner here, and more on that later, but also then this little camera here. So I've got two cameras on the case, and they can be powered by a voltage source anywhere between 10 and 30 volts. And when we do that, the whole system's powered up and all the cameras can be used. So let's do that quickly. First of all, let's plug the hot camera into a port on this little switch. Easier said than done. Gosh, fiddly. There it is. And then let's plug the bottom camera in as well. Bish bash bosh. Same idea. So they're both in. Now let's give the case some power. I don't want to drain these batteries I've charged. So I've got a little cable here, USB-C PD. What voltage output is that? 12 volts. And in the little pouch here, got my favorite U-green pack. I'm going to plug that into the main output, purple one there. So that should wake up in a second. There it is. And now I've got this excessively bright rocker switch, blue one, ding. And what should be happening now is the switch is powering up, which is great. And the camera should be powering up shortly, which you can see it now talking already. That's good too. And at the end, we've got this cable, the black cable that runs to this little box we're hiding out of the way for now. If we look at power consumption for a moment, we can see we're pulling 14 watts, 10 watts. So as a little rig then, I should be able I could just rest that one up there, couldn't I, if I wanted to? Should have done this at the beginning. Close all of that down like this. And not quite, because she's in the way of cable. There we go. So now we've got a dual camera system. It's connected via cellular, but more on that in the subsequent video. And I can now stream 2 video streams from this box out to the internet. And that's what I'm going to be doing next. Probably tomorrow now. When the sun comes up, we'll see if we can strap this to a bike and get some useful video streams out of it and see what's going on. And at that point, I will show you what this little sneaky box in the bottom corner is. There it is. I look forward to showing this in a minute. Thanks very much.